Kung lumaki kang Pinoy, alam mo ang mga amoy na 'to. Hello, beautiful smelling people. If you're here, you already smell good. But if you're new here, well, you're about to. Char. I just want to share how I got into fragrances. Naalala ko noon, maliit pa lang ako, mahilig na ako sa pabango because my tita, who was very hands-on with us, after giving us a shower, giving us a bath, lalagyan niya kami ng cologne. Alam mo yun, pagkatapos maligo, andyan na yung Ninoko, Angel's Breath, or yung pinakasikat nun, Johnson's Baby Cologne, yung blue, yung fresh, yung bagong ligo ang pakiramdam. I think it was marketed that way because if there's one thing that Filipinos love to do is yun ay maligo. It is normal for us to take a shower 2 or even 3 times a day, lalo na pag summer, which is parang buong taon, 'di ba? Yung pagkatapos mong maligo, pagkalabas mo pa lang ng bathroom, pawisan ka na. Anyway, after putting on cologne, pupulbusan kami na parang espasol, parang sinusaw ka sa powdered sugar. Oh my gosh, those are really good memories. And scents do bring back memories. And I remember our tita would always remind us na kahit hindi mamahalin ang suot, basta mabango ka, you're ready to face the world. Wow, di ba? Ang mga titas of Manila, hindi lang yan pintasera. Marami rin yung words of wisdom. So, I am very thankful to my tita for instilling that philosophy in us, which I have practiced since then up until now, because I really strongly believe that people don't only treat you by the way you look or the way you dress, but also by the way you smell. So, importante talaga na mabango tayo every day. And yeah, I just, remembered how I started with colognes. Pag nung elementary, yung mga yan. Tapos, high school, yung mga bench, yan, nauso yan. Tapos, college, you transition to Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret. Yeah, but that's for another content. So if you're interested in Middle Eastern fragrances, I review them on my channel, Beyond the Dry Down on YouTube, because after the dry down is where the real story starts.